there, for today's Read Aloud, we will be reading a short story titled Try This. Before I begin reading, let's go ahead and go over our genre and some vocabulary words that we'll see in the story. So, narrative nonfiction gives information, but it sounds like a story. So what I'd like for you to do is look for photos that show real people, photos that show real places, and facts about a real topic. So one more time. Photographs. Photos is a word that's short for photograph. Photos of real people, real places, and then facts about a real topic. Okay? So here are some words that we will be seeing in the story that you may or may not know. Let's go ahead and go over them. New. Repeat after me. New. Good.
New. When something is new, you have never seen, had, or done it before. I am going to a new school this year.
Good. Try. Say the word try. Good.
Try. When you try to do something, you work at doing it. Every day, I try to learn to ride my bike.
Great. Your turn. Great.
Great. Something that is great is better than good. We love to eat the great food Mom makes.
Enjoy. Your turn. Enjoy.
Enjoy. If you enjoy doing something, you really like it. We enjoy watching movies.
Excited. Excited.
Excited. When you feel excited, you are very happy. The excited children cheered when they got their prizes.
Nervous. Your turn. Nervous. Last word.
Nervous. When you feel nervous, you are worried about what might happen. I was nervous the first time I tried to ride a bike.
All right. Let's go ahead and meet the author.
Pam Munoz Ryan was a teacher before she started writing books. She has written over 40 books and won many awards. When she was young, Miss Munoz Ryan loved to read her grandmother's set of encyclopedias. She spent a lot of time reading other books, too. Miss Munoz Ryan walked to school, but she always wished she could have ridden a bus like the children in Try This.
All right. I always like when there's like a little video or something we can learn about the author. It's always fun. Try This. So you may or may not have read this in the beginning of the year with Miss Nungesser, but if you have, then that's fine. What you can do is take a moment and try to think back to this story. And if you haven't heard this story, then what you can do is go ahead and use the cover and the title to make a prediction. I'll give you a little bit of time to do this. All right, it's now time to read the story, Try This. We go to school. I know you can't see the words that are down here, but I have the book in front of me. We go to school. This is new. Try this, Sam. Okay, so sometimes whenever I'm reading, I ask myself questions while I'm reading or while I'm listening to a story. So I want to show you how to do that just in case you haven't done that or you are doing that, then that's good. So whenever I'm reading, I ask myself questions. So in this right here, it says, we go to school. So what I'm thinking is, okay, so the text says they go to school. So I ask myself, how did the children go to school? So what I'm doing now is I'm going to look at each photograph to see, well, these children are going to school on a scooter. These kids are walking. What is this little girl doing? She's riding in a car. What are these little kids doing? They're going to school on their bikes. And what is Sam doing? He's taking the bus. So what is new for Sam? I said, this is new. Try this, Sam. What is new for him? Taking a bus to school. How do we know this? We can look at the picture, see? He's going on the bus and he says, this is new. Try this, Sam. All right, let's keep reading. We like the bus. The bus is great. How can we tell that Sam likes the bus? What clues can you use? The smile on his face. He's smiling. It does look like he's enjoying the bus. He's having fun. We go to new rooms. This is new. Try to paint, Sam. So I wonder what the children do in their new rooms. I'll keep reading to see if I can find out the answers to my questions. So what I'm trying to show you is it's okay to have questions on a page and to not see them right away, to not figure out the answers right away. You might need to keep reading to figure out the answers. So what does Sam try to do on this page? What is he doing again? He's painting. And is this something new? Yes, this is new. Try to paint, Sam. Remember, this is a narrative nonfiction. We're learning about a topic, and we'll figure out the topic at the end of this story, and we'll talk a little bit more about that. We go outside at school. This is new. Try to bat, Sam. What new thing do the children do outside? One more time. What new thing do the children do outside? They learn to play baseball. How do you know? Well, the photo shows Sam swinging a bat, and the text says, try to bat. So I'm using the text, the words, and the photograph. Okay? All right, last page. Move out of the way. School is great. We like to try. Okay. So this is a fun little story. It's a short little story, like I told you. I would like for you to take a moment and think, why did the author write this text? So go ahead and look at the picture. You have your picture in front of you, and I have my picture in front of me. Let's try to figure out, why did the author write this little story? Try this. Give me a moment to think about it. Okay, well maybe I think the author wrote this to give facts about new things kids can do at school, right? So playing music, playing sports, painting, maybe doing a little science project. So all these different new things you can try at school. Okay, I think that's why the author wrote the story, to give us facts about things you can try. Now, what is that called? To persuade us, inform us, or entertain us. What does the author want you to learn? That trying things is good. Trying new things is good, and that's informing us, right? He's teaching us, he or she is teaching us real information, okay? So, let's go and talk about it. What is the topic for this story? Because this is a narrative nonfiction. What is the topic? Trying new things. We can use the title to help us. Try this. So the topic is trying new things at school. Okay? What were some different facts that you learned? Well, we learned we go outside at school. Sometimes at school you paint. You go to different rooms. So, we also learned there are different ways that you can get to school, right? So our topic, we learned that you try new things at school, and we learned these different little things about school too, right? All right, so did this story have photographs of real people? Yes, these are real people. These aren't drawings. These are actual photographs. Were these real places that we saw? Photographs of real places? Yeah, these are real places outside in a classroom. Did you learn some different facts? Yeah, we did. We just went over a couple of them. All right, so on your next slide, you have your reading discussion. So go ahead and prepare yourself for that. And I hope you enjoyed today's read aloud. Try this.